OutFront now, Adam Kobeissi, financial analyst and founder and editor-in-chief of the Kobeissi Letter, and of course, Dan Ives. It's great to see both of you again. Adam, just the context here, though, because you've been following a lot about this, that the market's been going up and up and up, and maybe going up in the face of some pretty scary economic stuff to come. Nobody knows, but it's been going up, and it's been going up because retail investors, right? Not big, sophisticated investors. Retail investors have been buying. So a lot of people have just bought in the past few weeks, right? Those people just got crushed today. That's pretty scary. So what do? I mean, do you think Trump follows through with this, and this plunge actually lasts or not?
Yeah, I mean, look, retail inflows have been very strong, as you suggested. But I think this is really the textbook Trump playbook that we saw back in April, where he starts with these very big threats, these things that kind of cause these sharp reactions. And then he slowly starts to use it as a bargaining chip to reach a deal in what he's looking for, or what he views is a sustainable trade deal. And I think we already saw the first hint of that literally an hour ago. After the market had closed, President Trump said he actually hasn't canceled his meeting with China's President Xi yet. So I think this was the first sign of that. I think this weekend we see more happening. And ultimately, I think this dip is going to be bought. I think that the factors that have been driving the market higher for the last few months are incredibly strong. I think earnings growth is strong. AI is strong. The Fed is cutting rates. And we have deregulation in the background. And simultaneously, the market was up almost 40% in 6 months. I think we really just needed a reason to sell off. Today kind of caught everybody off guard, and the market fell sharply. But I don't think this is something that's going to derail us and send us back to the lows. If anything, we're looking to kind of capitalize on this and buy the dip.
Good. Adam, there is a great irony, though, and then, all the stuff about the market calling the taco trade, right? The Trump will chicken out. And then, he announces this. And if they still sold off. Right? Even though I would bet if you asked most people, they would say exactly what you said, which is he says this all the time and then it doesn't actually happen. But nonetheless, there was still that knee-jerk reaction today.
Yeah, I think, look, if you had to ask me on November 1st, will this 100% tariff go live? I would say no. I think some sort of deal will be reached before then, just as we've seen twice now with the U.S.-China trade deal. And like I said, I think the market has been incredibly hot. It just needed a reason to sell off. We hadn't had a 2% plus down day in 6 months. And we got that down day. I think markets will continue to look forward. And I really think that we're heading to S&P 7,000 and the AI revolution is still in full swing.
All right, we'll see. AI revolution.